This is part 2, live at St. Joseph Academy. Okay, know you're having a lot of fun there, Mr. Connor? Okay. So, let's discuss an example that we just went over there on the board, back to Algebraville, Filizolaville. Okay, and we have 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x. Just so much fun. Now, what would be the first step in solving a problem like this? What do we do first?
Multiply by the...
No. First thing you do, you substitute. 0 minus 1, that's negative 1, so the top is negative 1, plus 0 plus 1, 1. So this is negative 1 plus 1, that's 0 over what? 0. Now, okay, since it's 0 over 0, we may multiply by what, Marisabel? Okay, and that would be? X plus 1. Sorry.
Okay, yes.
Let me rewrite that. Let me give myself some space. Sorry about that. I apologize, folks. I'm going to have plenty of paper. We just plant some more trees and we're fine. Okay. Now, okay. Actually, the pack was pretty cheap. It cost me $2.59. X minus 1 times x plus 1. X minus 1 times x plus 1. X minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay. Now, we have x plus 1 there. Here the x plus 1 cancels, so 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1. Y'all see that? Over x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. All we're trying to do is we're trying to get rid of something that's making our numerator and denominator 0. What happens from here? And we are left with x plus x. We have 2x over x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. And what do we do here? And we're left with the limit as x approaches 0 of 2 over x minus 1 times x plus 1. And if we substitute the 0, in this case, what is our answer going to be? It's 2 over 0 minus 1 times 0 plus 1. That would give us 2 over negative 1 times 1. That would give us negative 2. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Let's try this example. Okay. What would be our first step if we're asked to evaluate this limit? Okay, we substitute. And that would give us zero over 0. Now, how would you approach to extract the limit from something like this? Just by looking at the problem, it sort of gives you a little hint. What would you do?
Get rid of that.
Get rid of what? Okay, and how do we do that? How do we achieve that? Very good, Buchanan. Now, that's the conjugate. This is 4x minus x squared. I'm going to leave the numerator alone. What is our denominator, though? Remember when you take the conjugate, what was the short way I taught you?
Oh, square minus
So it would be 4 minus x. Huh, that's strange because nothing seems to be canceling. Can I do anything else here? Yes, and we're left with 4 minus x times 2 plus square root of x. You see the little culprit there in the middle? It's trying to hide from you. Trying to hide from you. We got you, Buster. There we go. You're out of there. Now, we plug them in. So it's 4 times 2 plus the square root of 4, which is what? 2 over 1, right? And what is the answer to this limit? Not everyone at once, please. Please stop. Thank you.
Wait, why you multiplying it by 4?
Any questions? These are the types of questions that you will be dealing with within your assignments coming up. I know you're just so excited to look at your assignments.